Alright, it's Saturday, August 22nd, 2026. The time is 15:59. Temperature is 71 degrees. I-70 West, Vail Pass Summit. We've had some scattered rain showers today. That's been nice. Traffic has been pretty manageable so far. We went to Leadville a little bit ago and they had some sprinkles. They're having the Leadville 100 race for running. Could you imagine running 100 miles? Another level for sure. Nice day out here, much cooler than this week. Hopefully the rain will keep coming. Let's go check out the rest of the pass. Be really careful this weekend. The animals running onto the highway has been pretty heavy. Ton of carnage. Highway 91 from Copper Mountain to Leadville.